Let me show you how to fix a common issue, a quick, easy, short video on fixing the camera on these Dodge Chargers. Oftentimes when you're in reverse, the camera just won't display. It'll say check entire surroundings, right? And then the screen will just be black. Most times we think that it's the bulb in the camera, or it's the wiring, or if we had previous water damage. It's usually never that case. 90% of the time, it's something very, very small, which is the fuse. So I had the car turned on earlier. I threw it in reverse, and of course, the screen was black. Everything else worked but that. So these cars have two fuse boxes. One is in the front, and the other is in the back. So here's the front. And whenever you open the fuse boxes, you always have a legend, right? Now we're not going to use this, obviously. What controls the rear view camera is actually the fuse box here in the back. There's the fuse box. I've already taken off the covering for it. So now we need to look for the fuse that operates the camera. And if you see, it's right there, number 44. Park assist / blind spot / camera. It's number 4410A. So (4410A) is right here. So I'm going to take that one out. Okay. Here's a fuse. See how crusty that is? Focus. Jesus Christ, focus. Yeah, that fuse is dead. Hence why I had problems from the beginning. Now I'm going to replace it with a brand new fuse. And here is that brand new fuse. This is it right here. See how clean that looks? Over time, these fuses will just wear. There's nothing you can do about it. It'll just wear. So let's install it and see if that fixes the problem. All right. I'm gonna use my hand instead. Using that pick, it's a pain. All right, it's installed. Here's the old one. See how crusty that thing looks? My hands look crustier because I've been working this morning. But that's a really bad fuse. All right, let's close up and see if it works. Works. Park assist works as well. Now, I bought these replacement fuse at O'Reilly's. Most O'Reilly's would carry it. This is it right here. You don't need to go to Dodge or do anything stupid like that. Spend $1,000. This was about $3 and some change. Pack of what? 5? I already installed one. Right there, $3.24. And that's it.